I hear them. They up there at the park. Huh? Oh. I say I'm going to get one with nature, y'all. Here we is. And check us out. We on the trail. And I done took my gym shoes off. Trying to relax my bunions. Well, I ain't got no bunions, but. Huh? My gym shoes? I know. They ain't on my feet. That's what I'm saying. We in nature, y'all. I could survive out here if I had to. Huh. Me and my children. I make a way, honey. Sure would. I know how to make a fire with sticks. I don't know about water. Well, I'll find some water.
You think we should go down here?
Is this ain't part of the trail, is it?
Oh, it's the part.
That's muddy. Come on now.
You can go back up, like right there.
That's where you here. Now we're gonna continue right here. I'm sorry I ain't put my gym shoes on. How y'all feel about this trail? Yeah, I got Wi-Fi. I mean, the signal is good. It cut out for a minute. Don't be scared, baby. Okay, now we got a dilemma here. Which way should we go?
This way. This is how you get.
Now, I think I want to go this way. Yeah, because I think this goes. Hey, you ain't leading no trail. Get on back in your spot, child. You don't know where you going. If some jump out on us, we're going to let it get me first. And then y'all can run back the other way. Oh, they say if it get me, y'all going too. Nah, if something get mama, y'all run the other way. I'm going to survive. Trust me. And if I don't, we ain't going to worry about it.
I'm scared.
What you scared of, babe? This nature. You getting goosebumps. Look at the trees.
I think
It's beautiful, but what? Sketchy. Girl, what you know about sketchy? Oh, look at what is this on this tree? Some type of sap or something. Don't touch. Come on. Don't touch. Just looking. No, that ain't look like a mushroom. We on the trail, y'all.
Bro, I want to go back to the car.
Oh, you want to go back? Don't be scared, babe.
I'm
You gotta be one with nature. Huh?
I want to go back.
This the beginner's trail.
Yeah, but I want to go back.
They gonna know. Anna said, whoever on my live, Anna said, if we don't come back, make sure y'all come find us. Y'all seen the beginning of the trail sign.
What about the people at that zoo park they see?
Y'all look around and see what's around here.
Wow. Water!
Where?
Over there. See it?
I don't see no water.
Look.
Oh, that might be the river. You see water?
Yeah, it's over there.
All right, come on. Luke, you like the trail, buddy? Huh? Who, Luke?
Yeah, I might be walking fast.
You want to walk with Mama? Come on, Bubs. Move, y'all. Come back. so we can get in front. So we can lead the way. Come on. Come on, Bubs. Come on. Come on, Bubs. Let's go. Come on.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared, babe.
We should have gone that water side.
We with nature.
This don't feel right.
Look,
This
go
don't
back.
feel right. It feel like wolves gonna come.
Ain't no wolves coming, babe. Enjoy nature, babe. Look at this tree. Oh, this tree. Look, y'all, it done came up from the ground. Look how big it is.
Wow.
And it done came up out the ground. Ain't that something?
Yeah. That's a big one. Look.
Yeah, it is. Well,
Look.
oh, yeah, all these trees breaking. Hold on, I don't feel safe. Well, these motherfucking trees come down. Nah, we all right. Come on, y'all. This some good exercise too. I wish I had my gym shoes on. But it's all right. See, now we're going back up. Okay, we're finna be coming out. We're probably gonna come out behind the park, behind the swings and stuff. Maybe, I'm not sure. Or we might come out by these picnic tables where we just ate at. This probably where you and Sir was just, Anna's was at, right here.
We was in the front.
Yeah, y'all probably was right here. Don't go all over there. Stay on the trail, babe.
Look,
I'm a little tired.
field.
We out here, y'all,
Look at
in nature. Y'all hear me? I'm tired. I'm on. You gonna say, hey, Anna? Anna gonna keep going. Look at Anna walking like, I don't know. How you feel about nature, Leah? You like it? It's nice?
Yeah.
Relaxing?
It's irritating me.
Luke, you wanted to bring him. Hey, y'all, ain't I supposed to be in the front? Oh, what? I ain't asked you, was you scared? Get back here. It's about following the rules. And doing what you're told to do. Oh, I'm tired. I ain't really tired. I'm just a little out of breath. I told y'all this where it was at. Y'all hear him playing Frisbee? This was a good exercise. Y'all better cut it out. We supposed to be having a peaceful walk on this trail, and y'all want to argue. Leah, you tired?
I see the car.
Oh, me too, baby. We almost there. My baby tired. But this good for you, Leah. See, told y'all. What'd I tell y'all? Where we at? Hey, where we at? Told y'all we was gonna come out right here. Ooh. They out here playing them some good old Frisbee. Ooh. I don't really want to go over there to that park because they having some type of party over there. We ain't going that way. Come on. My trail walk is over for today. Y'all done had me walking around the zoo. Y'all got me at this park. I'm done. Your girl done.